A, B, C, A. What'd you get?
381.
381. Pretty good.
Are we ready? Who's
call
calling?
it. I'll call it.
Perfect. And we're going from holster because we're good.
Yeah, your 381's gonna be
C, B, C, A.
435.
442.
What was my last one? 381.
CA21.
Solid.
413. Pedantic gun show.
All right.
Where words
You ready?
matter.
Yep.
And the order
Joe,
matters.
you ready?
too. I am ready. I'll tell you
Good.
when I hit the button.
Just watch out. There's a blue barrel behind you. Don't knock it over.
Do what I want. Just a second.
So pedantic and semantical.
I've got it. I got the best targets.
I like how your sweatshirt's tucked in your pants.
I know, isn't that nice?
That's hot.
It's easier to get to my gun.
Yeah.
It leaves nothing to the imagination.
All right, I'm going.
No.
Shut up.
CA12.
Oh, what?
All right.
That was screaming.
What?
Was that 3.9?
378.
Solid.
Nobody's beating that.
That's really fast.
That's why I tuck in my fucking sweater.
All right, Julie. A1C3.
Whew, that was tough. 727. That was me trying to be fast instead of like paying attention.
Slow as fast.
That was me going, oh, I got this, no
Slow
problem.
as fast, meat eaters.
Yeah.
Ooh, here comes the sun.
Even on the C, I was like this. I was like over there.
Already moving to the
Yeah,
next one.
it was bad.
Overconfidence.
Very terrifying.
To do
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we have so many people.
Yeah.
I don't know that we'd really want to do it because it's a lot of.
Shooting at the same time.
And
1AC3.
You all right?
Yeah.
You get scared or you got hit?
No, I'm scared.
Okay.
744.
Hang on, bang.